Stop trading Forex. Yes, I mean stop trading Forex. Else you lose money unless you consider these things I'm going to be showing you on this video. Welcome to Keys FX. Without further ado, let's get on to this video. Yes, why you should never trade Forex. Why you should never trade Forex. Forex is a very highly risky venture. In fact, it's considered one of the most risky venture you can ever be in the world, and it's not suitable for everyone. Now, here are some reasons why you might want to completely avoid it or carefully consider before trading Forex. Number one, highly risky. Forex trading involves a high leverage, which of course allows traders to control a lot of positions with a small size account capital and maximize profit. But this comes as a two-edged sword as well, and it also magnifies the loss when it comes. So it potentially leads to a loss of your capital or probably loss of your entire investment in the market. Number two, psychological stress. Now, forex trading has a lot of psychological stress. Of course, the pressure of you managing your trades, dealing with your losses and trying to make profits, making quick decisions that can lead to significant psychological stress, and this can affect your mental health and overall well-being. Number three, it's time consuming. Forex trading is time consuming. If anyone tells you that forex trading is a side hustle that you can do and then you just get by with, no, it's not possible. Forex trading needs your time, needs a lot of your time, so it's time consuming. Every successful trader requires to be in the market for quite a number of time. Forex trading requires you consistently monitoring the market, making your analysis, checking for news, technical analysis and all that. This can be very time consuming. So Forex needs your time. If anyone tells you Forex does not need your time, it's a big fat lie. Forex needs your time. Now, number four, scam and fraud. Quite a number of times you must have heard a lot of persons say, oh, Forex, this Forex trader scam me, this Forex mentor scam me, this person scam me. Yes, that is true. In this industry of Forex, they have a lot of scammers. Lots of brokers are scamming people, lots of prop firms are scamming people, lots of mentors are scamming people, lots of investment platforms, lots of Forex organizations trying to scam you in every way they can. So Forex market is notorious for scam, including unregulated brokers, fake trading platforms, and signal sellers. They are all out there, and this can be very, very challenging. So distinguishing the legitimate ones can be very, very difficult. So this is the reason why you might not want to trade in Forex. Number five, no guaranteed income, no guaranteed returns. Now, if anyone tells you that Forex trading, you get to have you get to have incomes and all that, yes, you will have income, but I bet you they are not guaranteed. You can make $5,000 this month, and then next month you make $1,000, or next month you even lose $2,000. So that's how the Forex market is. So there is no guaranteed income in the Forex market. Now, Forex trading is a speculative market. Therefore, there's no guaranteed income. Even experienced traders incur losses in the market. Number six, high volatility. Forex market is highly volatile with a lot of geopolitical events, exchange rates floating here and there, and of course, economic data that are released from time to time, and market sentiment. So this makes the market very, very volatile, and it's not quite advisable for you to trade because of this volatility in the market. This is one of the reasons why you might not want to trade Forex, because the market is highly volatile. Number seven is market complexity. Now, Forex is quite a lot of complex markets. Now, if you are the type that cannot wrap your arms around the complexity of the market, it's not advisable for you to venture into Forex trading. Now, Forex markets are influenced by a wide range of factors, including interest rates, inflation, political stability, global economical trends. Understanding and predicting these factors requires significant knowledge. You might not want to trade Forex if you cannot wrap your heads around the complexity in the market. Number 8, lack of regulation. Now, the Forex market being a very complex market and very large market has little or no regulation because it's decentralized and their operations are 24/7 a day, making it less regulated than other financial markets. And this can also expose traders to risk such as fraud, manipulations, and unethical practice by brokers. So this is one of the reasons why you might not want to trade in Forex. Number 9, emotional trades. Now, Forex can take a huge toll on your emotions. Believe me, Forex can take a huge toll on your emotions. Now, the fast pace and nature of trading can lead to emotional decision making, such as you chasing your losses, over trading, and can result in poor trading decisions. And this can significantly affect you financially and gives you losses. So this is one of the reasons why you might not want to trade in Forex. Number 10, addiction potentials. Yes, Forex can be very, very addictive. It has a potential of being very addictive. The fast pace and the high stake nature of this market can be very addictive, and this for some individual can lead to compulsive trading behavior and financial ruin, therefore making you addictive or addicted to trading Forex 247. And this is one of the reasons why you might not want to trade in Forex. Now, who should avoid trading Forex? Who should avoid trading Forex? One of the persons that should avoid trading Forex is beginners, because without proper education and experience, beginners are more likely to lose money in the Forex market. Another set of persons that should avoid trading Forex is risk-averse individuals. Now, if you cannot afford to lose your investment in the Forex market, it's best you avoid it completely, because Forex is not suitable for anyone that cannot or do not want to lose money in the market. Another set of individual again that should avoid trading Forex are those that are seeking to make stable income. Forex, like we said earlier on, does not come with stable income. So if you're seeking to make stable income in the Forex market, you shouldn't be trading the Forex market because it's quite unpredictable. So you might not be guaranteed of a regular income in the Forex market. So you should stay away from the Forex market if you are seeking for a stable income, because it will not guarantee you a stable income. So as such, you shouldn't be able to rely on it as your primary source of income. Here's my final thoughts. If you're still very interested in trading in the Forex market, it is quite essential for you to know these following things I'm going to tell you right now. Number 1, educate yourself thoroughly. Forex market needs you to be very, very educated concerning the market before you can venture into it. This will limit your loss in the market and put you ahead to making consistent profit in the Forex market. Another thing again is that you must start with a demo account in your practice. You must practice with a demo account. Now, if you do not practice with demo account and you just jump straight right up into trading, you will lose a lot of money. I've seen a lot of Forex mentor telling you that no, that it's not advisable for you to trade in a demo account and it will not, your emotions will be messed up. No, you should trade with a demo account first. This is the only way you can master the art and put yourself ahead in making consistent profit in the Forex market. Now, another thing again that you need to know is that you have to use risk management strategy, like setting your stop loss orders, your limit orders, buy stops and all. You have to know how to set all these things in place. Now, if you do not know how to set all these things in place, definitely you lose money in the market. Another thing again you need to know is only trade with the money you can afford to lose. only trade with the money you can afford to lose. So if you cannot afford to lose a certain amount of money, you should not be trading in the forex market. So only trade with money you can afford to lose. And finally, choose a reputable broker, a reputable and well-regulated broker. One big step for you to be consistently profitable in the forex market is having a reputable and a very good broker that you can trade with. So with all this, I hope that you will be able to equip yourself with a lot of knowledge and trade profitably in the forex market. So if you want to learn more about the forex market strategies and how you can trade and make profit consistently in the market, you can check my other videos where I discuss quite a number of strategies and share tips on how you can make money consistently trading in the forex market. Now, if you're watching videos to this time, please kindly smash the like button, turn on your notification bell, and of course subscribe to this channel so you can be getting more content from this channel. Until I see you again, keep making every penny count. Peace out.